Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to start Unit 8 Small Business. Students, small business is playing very important role in our country. It has created large employment in our country as well as doing a lot for the economic development of the country by producing a wide variety of goods. Wide variety of goods are produced by small business, from small consumer based goods to the goods based on latest technology. All type of goods are manufactured by small business. For example, hosiery products, cotton industries are also the part of small business. Electrical goods are produced by small business, metallic products as well as chemical products are also produced by small business. So small business are doing wonders and leading our country for the development. So now I will define you small scale enterprises definition according to MSMED Act 2006. MSMED Act means Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Act 2006. This act came into force with effect from October 2006. According to this act, small scale enterprises are divided into two types, that is manufacturing enterprises and service enterprises. Manufacturing enterprises are such which are involved in manufacturing and production of goods. So, according to MSMED Act, manufacturing enterprises are divided into three categories. Now, I will explain you the three categories of manufacturing enterprises. So, under manufacturing enterprises, enterprises are divided into three enterprises, that is micro enterprises, small enterprises and medium enterprises. Micro enterprises are such enterprises in which investment in plant and machinery does not exceed rupees 25 lakh. So students, here I am going to define micro, small and medium enterprises on the basis of investment in plant and machinery. So in micro enterprises, investment in plant and machinery does not exceed rupees 25 lakh. And in small enterprises, investment in plant and machinery is more than rupees 25 lakh but does not exceed rupees 5 crore. So the enterprises involving investment in plant and machinery more than 25 lakh but less than 5 crore, that will be considered as small manufacturing enterprise. Next is medium enterprises are such enterprises which involve investment in plant and machinery is more than rupees 5 crore but does not exceed rupees 10 crore. So these are the criteria for defining micro enterprises. Involve investment does not exceed rupees 25 lakh. Small enterprises, investment more than 25 lakh but doesn't exceed 5 crore. Medium enterprises, investment in plant and machinery more than 5 crore but doesn't exceed 10 crore. Yes student, now I will discuss with you second type of enterprises, that is service enterprises. Service enterprises are such enterprises which provide services. So these service enterprises are again divided into three categories, that is service enterprise, small service enterprise and medium service enterprise. So micro service enterprise is that enterprise which does not exceed investment in equipment rupees 10 lakh. When we are talking about industries in service enterprises, there we have to consider investment in equipments. When I was talking about manufacturing enterprises, I was considering investment in plant and machinery. When I am talking about service enterprises, I will consider investment in equipments. So, micro service enterprise is that enterprise which does not exceed investment in equipment rupees 10 lakh. Small enterprise is that enterprise where investment is more than rupees 10 lakh but does not exceed rupees 2 crore. So in small service enterprises, investment in equipments can be more than rupees 10 lakh but does not exceed rupees 2 crore. In medium service enterprises, investment in equipments is more than rupees 2 crore but does not exceed rupees 5 crore. So student, these are the criteria of micro, small and medium service enterprises. So we have to learn all these things. What is the criteria in micro manufacturing enterprise or service or medium manufacturing enterprise, and what is the criteria for service enterprises. And while calculating investment in plant and machinery, one note is there students, while calculating investment in plant and machinery in manufacturing enterprises, cost of pollution control, research and development, industrial safety devices shall be excluded. When I am talking about investment in plant and machinery, in the investment in plant and machinery, cost of pollution control, research and development, industrial safety devices cost shall be excluded. Clear? This is about MSMED Act 2006 categories into manufacturing and service enterprises and their subcategories. After that student, I am going to discuss with you role of small business in rural India. What is the role of small business for the rural India? So the first role is multiple source of income. Small scale industries has created multiple source of income for the rural sector of the India. Earlier they were having only one source of income, that is agricultural sector. But now with the agriculture sector they can work in these industries also and they can earn some extra money. So they can go for their self-employment. They can open their own small business or they can work there. In this way they will have multiple source of income. Next is mobilization of local resources. With the establishment of small business in rural sectors of the country, the resources which are available in the local areas as well as the artistic skill which is available with the rural people, these things are utilized in a productive manner. Local resources of villages, rural areas as well as skills of people is going to be utilized in the industries. Otherwise, they were remaining unutilized. Next is prevent migration. Small scale industries are developing rural sector. Every type of facility is now available in the rural areas. Job, the main thing is job, employment, that is available in the rural areas in the form of small scale industries. That's why people are not required to migrate to urban sector for getting employment. So small scale enterprises has prevented migration. Next is reduction in poverty, unemployment and income inequalities. Because of small business, unemployment has reduced. A lot of employment has created. Because of employment opportunity, poverty among people is reducing. And both the rich section as well as poor section is going to be equal. You can say the inequalities of income between richer section and poor section are reducing. People are inequalities among them is going to be reduced. Next is accelerated industries growth and creating employment potential in rural and backward areas. Promotion of small scale industries and rural industrialization is considered by our government a very powerful tool for achieving the twin objectives of government, that is accelerated industrial growth and creating employment potential in rural and backward areas. Students, government is having twin objective, that is accelerated industrial growth of the industrial sector and creating employment potential in rural and backward areas. So, government is finding that small scale industries and rural industrialization is very important tool for achieving these twin objectives. So here students, I discussed with you role of small business in rural India, as it created multiple source of income for the rural people. Mobilization of local resources is there, otherwise they were remaining unutilized. It prevent migration, reduction in poverty, unemployment and income inequalities, social problems, accelerated industries growth and creating employment potential in rural and backward areas. So this is the role of small business in rural India. I hope that today's topic is clear to all. Thank you students.